Then it comes to the question number 9. Stanford company leased some of the special purpose equipment from the Vincent Incorporation under the long-term lease, and it was treated as an operating lease by the Stanford, and after the financial statement has been issued and it is discovered that the lease should has been treated as a capital. So once I will teach you the lease accounting, then you will be able to understand this question. So I am leaving this. So now question number 10. This is just a calculation for cash from operating activities. Can you please do it now? So I request everybody, now I am sharing this question in the group, and ask everybody to do this question, please, and get me your answers. Karan bhai, aap bhi.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So start writing the answers. Please take your 2 minutes times and start writing the answers.
इसके मोबाइल से
बसंत भाई आप भी ट्राई कर लो, प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
I don't have the PDF which you are sharing with your candidates, means the students. Hello.
ओके, ये स्क्रीन पे ला दिया भाई, स्क्रीन पे ला दिया.
Let me. Okay.
अरे आप बोलो तो. और साक्षी फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, प्लीज यू डू ऑल्सो. इट्स अ वेरी पार्टिसिपेटिंग.
Okay, sir. I'm doing.
Yeah, do no problem. है नहीं पड़े.
These two questions has been done.
Okay, question number 3 and 4 on the screen now. Done.
Yes. Fourth is left.
Okay. Little fast.
Yes, sir. Fourth has been done.
Other people also done?
No, sir. 1 minute. Fourth, please wait 1 minute.
Okay, sorry. Because if I come to the screen, maybe I cannot see the background.
Okay, sir. Done. Fourth hour.
Over 5 and 6. Done, done.
No, sir. Wait.
No,
उसमें मत लिखिए वैसे हैंडराइटिंग में मुझे वैसे में समझ नहीं आता है।
ये समझ गया।
आप कैसे हैंडराइटिंग में मत
ठीक है।
इट इज नॉर्मल हैंडराइटिंग।
Okay, sir.
Done, done, done.
Yes, sir. 5 and 6.
6 and 7. Done, done, done.
No, sir.
Yes.
yes, sir.
ठीक है तब आप मुझे दे दीजिएगा।
हाँ हाँ हेलो। Yes, tell me, my brother. I cannot.
Yeah, I sent already in the chat history the answer.
Okay, you have already done.
They already logged 4 minutes back.
I can't. You can just message me. क्या
Yeah,
बोल
I
रहे
sent in the chat history. Chat history.
Maybe I am missing something.
सर मैंने आपको व्हाट्सएप कर दिया।
हाँ हाँ I got
No,
that.
I sent
Sir,
in
Karan.
the chat history.
ये हाँ करण भाई आपका मिल गया मेरे को। करण भाई का मिल गया। Thank you.
History,
I'll-
I sent in the chat history.
Not able to see PDF, sir.
Okay, yeah, because I just came here now. Now it's okay. PDF is
Okay.
coming.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
I think in the chat of this Google chat.
Google
Sir,
chat.
eight
Yeah.
number.
Okay. 1 investing, 2 operating investing, 3 investing. No, 3 is non-cash activities. 3 is wrong. The 4th is decrease in account payable. सही है. The 5th is the quality of earning. 5th you did not answer maybe. 5th is
Yes, it's in the 7th is direct method, 10th answer is the 100,000.
yeah, okay, last let me check. Yeah, last 10 is 100,000 is correct. Okay, Sasi, thank you. I will just see your answers also. I'll bring it to there, don't worry. And let the other people also complete the thing. Just give me give him also 2 minutes.
No
Yes,
problem.
sir,
No
मेरे
problem.
चेक कर लो।
आपने भेज दिया क्या
Sir,
मेरे को?
हाँ
Sir, 8 and 9.
Okay, 8 and 9. Sorry, 8 here. Just 1 minute, my brother. We'll come together. 1 minute. हमको सिर्फ रोशन भाई का नहीं आ रहा है. रोशन भाई प्लीज भेज दो भाई.
Based on I mean sent, right?
रोशन भाई प्लीज
Based on means what? Send.
send. Yes, send.
ये में से कोई हिंदी.
Okay.
Pikachu.
Okay, 9 done. 8 done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 9 you can leave it because 9 is it's out of the scope. That even I have not teach. So now the question number 10 only I am asking.
सर मेरे आंसर चेक कर लो।
Yes, करण भाई आपके आंसर्स में चेक कर रहा हूँ. And I believe you are 10 of 10.
सर मेरे एक 9th वाला मुझे समझ नहीं आया सर, मैंने उसमें गेस करा है।
9th में चेक ही नहीं कर रहा आपको, टेंशन मत लो.
ओके मैंने गेस करा, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया वो।
चलो कोई नहीं, ये एक्चुअल में अभी मैंने पढ़ाया नहीं ना इन्वेस्टमेंट, तो नहीं आया. No problem. So Naveed bhai has given the first investing, B operating, C non-cash activity, C का I don't know, D होगा क्या है पता नहीं, देखना पड़ेगा. 3 का. So now I am going and answering and showing you the answers. Please come to me.
Sorry, very fast.
No, I will go slowly. When I will explain the numbers, I will go slowly. When I was reading the question, I will go fast.
Okay,
Because
okay.
the question you are reading by yourself also.
Good, no.
Okay. So now, I will just say that question number 1, it is a investment activity. It is an investment activity. Do anybody have doubt on it?
No.
No. Why? Because I have explained it here. Because the investment is classified under the 3 group. First is trading, second is available, third is held to maturity. And available for sale is an investment. So whatever you are doing, that is to be classified as a investing activity. The first answer is correct for, I believe, everyone. Second is the answer is operating, investing and financing. This is the answers. Okay.
Yeah.
Second, the third is that when you are taking the mortgage, you are not dealing in cash. I was very much clear when I was explaining the question. When you are dealing and when you are not taking or giving the cash, you have to not include in the cash flow statement. Here, what is happened? One hand you have taken the mortgage, on the other hand you have taken the asset. So there is no cash involved in it. So the answer will be E. The answer will be E. Okay. Now the question comes to the 4. 4 says that कि इसमें से out of these we have to explain which one is the operating activities. The operating activities was only the decrease in AP, because when I was saying adjustment of working capital, so AP is the working capital. AP is a part of current liabilities. So current liability, when you calculate the working capital, it is current asset and current liability you are considering together. So now the question number 5 is coming. When we say that कि आपको बताना है कि statement of financial positions, all things is explaining except one thing. So now I want to say that are you people to understand what is called the statement of financial position? A statement of financial position is the balance sheet. When it comes to the balance sheet is spelling everything except the quality of working, quality of earning. The quality of earning cannot be shown from the balance sheet, but it can show the collectability, stability, longevity. Yes, it can show. The commissions on the item with financial value such as the worth of employee, yes, can be shown, because some of the business are reporting the HR capital, the human capital also. So it means you can see the human capital in the balance sheet. Valuations is also you can see, except the reporting, the quality of earning you cannot see. So this is the answer. Now the question number 6 is very clear. I showed that this is the most commonly used. The most commonly used, I said that since we all are maintaining our book based on the accrual basis, most of the business is using the same method. So we have to do the indirect method. We have to apply, we have to do some non-cash item or non-operating item to get the cash from operating activities. The rest other two activities are common in both the way. Either you do the direct method or you do the indirect method. Okay, now the question number 7, when I say the receive from the customer or payment, it is clearly mentioned it is under the direct method. It is clearly mentioned it is under the direct method, because, and that is also in operating activities for sure. Okay, the rest thing it's no use of us. When it comes to the question number 8, says that when the fixed asset is sold for less than the book value, which of the following will decrease? So I will ask everybody that what is the things what you are going to, the current asset? No. Current ratio? No. Net profit? Yes, because net working capital is also the combination of current asset and current liability. So the only thing is going to decrease or impacted is called the net profit. Now, okay, so now the question number, now I am not teaching because it needs a bigger concept than here and explaining the things. So once I will cover the investment, I will cover this. Now the question number 10 is very similar, very simple. The question says that Larry Mitchell, a Bailey company's controller, is gathering the data for the statement of the cash flow for the most recent year end and is planning to use the indirect method to prepare the cash statement. Yani he or she is very clear that she is going to use the indirect method to prepare the cash flow statement. साथ में बोलता है कि from the below information she just wanted to know what is the cash from operating activities. So I will just tell you the cash from operating activity start from the net profit. So net profit you are taking here, okay, and then you are saying that the purchase of investment with an original cost sold for 125,000. So then after it is saying that the proceed from the issuance of deposits, so that is also the B and C, the second and the third is the investment activity, so you are not going to take it. There is a small glitches here. Maybe you people have understood or no, because the investment was sold for the profit. So why we have not adjusted the profit here? Because in the given objectives, in the given scenario, it is not showing. So I will assume that if this net profit is already adjusted with the non-operating income of 25,000. So if it was given 75,000, I would have given the answer as a 75,000 instead of giving 100,000. Okay, that was a small thing yet that you should know. So I will explain it so that for the future you will have an understanding. See, the question says that you have 100,000, and the question also says that you have an investment. You purchased this for cost was 100,000, and you have sold it for 125,000. So there is a 25,000 profit is also here. So you could have said that, okay, why you are not adjusting non-operating income of 25,000. So if this was the scenario, our cash from operation should have been 75,000, whereas all the objectives, all the answers, the choices they have given, there is no choices given for 75,000. So there is an assumptions will work, and the assumptions comes in my mind, and I will tell you what is the assumptions. It is assuming that they have already adjusted the 75,000 while they have given the net operating income for us. Okay. Otherwise, the right answer should be 75,000. So in this scenario, your answer is 100,000. Only knowing the assumptions, if this 25,000 of the profit from the sale of investment has been considered, maybe before it was 125, but actually this 25,000 was adjusted here. So that is a trick, like you will be trapped. So you should know while you are answering, you should know the reason why I am giving, and this answer is correct because of this given scenario. If there is a 75,000 would have given here, the answer should be 75,000 instead of 100,000. I believe Karan clear हुआ भाई?
हाँ जी सर.
आपके दिमाग में ये वाला बात आया नहीं था ना?
नो सर, मैं 9th की बात कर रहा था, मैंने 10th वाला कर लिया था.
नहीं 10th का आपने जो 100,000 when you did it, did you?
हाँ सर, मैंने वो वाला. हाँ जी हाँ जी.
हाँ, you have not think of that point ना?
नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं सोचा था मैंने.
हाँ, आपको ऐसे जाके सोचना पड़ेगा. When you are answering ना, so you should think because you know the principle. आपको लॉजिक पता था कि नॉन ऑपरेटिंग इनकम को आपको हटाना है. That you know. तो वो चीजें, हाँ, तो वो एक चीजें मिस हुई थी, and that I have explained very clearly कि how you can do it in that scenario. So I believe most of the people have answers more than 60% correct, and that is a good thing. Okay, only I have this appointment from Azam Bhai why he answered 3 ka B. Azam Bhai 3 ka B, why? Yeah, I know my voice is not clear, but you can write it here. I can read it. So, Roshan bhai, are you clear with this or you have any question? Please tell me. So now you know that 25, I think nobody has think about that. Yeah, but everybody has missed that.
Yeah, 25 I have got the confusion. So because there is a net profit is only 100,000.
Yes, yes.
Other than that is 100,000 the correct answer.
Yeah, okay. That Shashi has that thought of it. At least that he has thought. Thank you, Shashi. Thank you, thank you. तो बसंत भाई कैसा लगा आपको, मजा आया?
Yes, sir. It was very nice. I learned out of 10. I had given 2 incorrect answers, but I have learned the reason why it was incorrect.
So this is the
Hello.
this is the what I am explaining when I am teaching, when I am saying something. So I have the rationals of doing it. Why I am doing this. If I do mistakes, I have a reason why I did the mistake.
Yes, yes.
So
Yes,
this
sir. I have a little doubt that quality of earning statement of financial position in that topic, that question MCQ.
आपने इंटीग्रेटेड रिपोर्टिंग नहीं पढ़ी है ना?
Yes, yes. Not
हाँ, तो इसीलिए छोड़ दे. एक्चुअल में देखिए बैलेंस शीट का एक अपना लिमिटेशन होता है. बैलेंस शीट कैन ओनली शो यू द एसेट लायबिलिटीज एंड ऑल. Whether this asset is going to be performed in the futures, the balance sheet not going to tell you, and the asset is going to generate the revenue, the balance sheet not going to tell you. That what is talking about.
okay.
Because our
That's
balance sheet is our balance sheet always presented on the historical cost, and we don't know the futures. Futures, you know, the inflows out of that.
Okay.
So that is the one of the missing part of the balance sheet. So nowadays, most of the company has started reporting their balance sheet based on the fair value. Or when they do the impairment, they actually considered the inflows for the futures. They are discounting it the present value, and they think whether this asset is correctly reporting in the balance sheet or not. So this is a new concept. Maybe you have done in your business or in your PSU also the impairment and all. But
Impairment of assets.
Yeah. That when you see that okay, this business is or this asset is not going to do well, then only you do the impairment. But when you follow the IFRS reporting, there you have the option to report the fair value accounting. So that
Okay.
so if it is a fair value reporting, you can be understood, okay, this asset is going to generate the value for you. So maybe in that case, the reporting will say that the quality of earning. But in the normal GAAP reporting or in the Indian AS reporting,
It will not show you.
yes, exactly.
That is only for the historical data.
Shashi bhai, type kar do please type. So now I am just closing here, but Roshan bhai, वो link एक बार भेजना. We will do some costing part. Okay. So Karan bhai, just join the link what Roshan bhai will send and come to that link. Okay. So because we have the costing, some assignment is pending now, we have to finish that.
So what about me?
शशि भाई, आप आज मेरे साथ इधर ही क्लोज करें, बिकॉज कॉस्टिंग की वो मिडिल में असाइनमेंट है. I will take you for but I will be sending some of the questions. So please try it before, because
Yeah, sure.
so that we can